the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how you can build a piano mobile application that works both on Android and iOS, alright? And this piano application, you can easily monetize out, okay? In this video, I'm going to be showing you the code, app builder, and also the prompt for generating and building this application, alright? All you need to do is to watch this video down to the very end. But before we get started, this is what you're going to simply build. So without further ado, let's get into the video right away. The first thing you need to do is simply head over to your browser. Head over to your browser and search for chatgpt.com, right? This is the AI tool we're going to simply use to build our mobile application. So the first thing you need to do is simply head over to ChatGPT and you're going to simply give it a simple prompt, okay? Paste this particular prompt. I've already copied the prompt and I'm going to simply drop it down on our Telegram channel. This is what I wrote below. I've given a photo of a piano below. I want to make an application like this, okay? So give me a full code in one block. This code should look exactly like what I'm going to simply give it, okay? So remember, there's no photo right here. We're going to simply add a photo here. So if you don't have a piano photo on your app mobile phone, you can easily go ahead and search for piano photos right here, okay? Just go over to your browser and search for piano app, okay? You're gonna see the images of piano, all right, on this very section. You can see, okay, I've already downloaded some, so I'm gonna simply use one of them as an instance in this very video, okay? Yeah, you have to simply provide the image you've already downloaded, okay? So I'm gonna simply click on this image button here, then click on this upload file, okay? So when you click on that, you're going to see lots of images I've already downloaded on my mobile phone, okay? So I'm going to simply select this first one here, all right? Then click on select. You can see this one has been selected already and allow it to load, okay? Then I'm going to simply click on this send button and this will start building the application for us, okay? So let's give it a while to generate this. You can join us on our Patreon. I'm going to simply drop this code right there, okay? So this is done. Don't click on this copy button. Just head straight to this section and click on this particular section. Click on this copy button rather. Then head back to your mobile phone and you locate your app builder, okay? Alright, so once you open your app editor, you click on this section right here that says new file, okay? When you click on that, then you have to add the name of this particular file you want to add. Let's call it piano.html. Then click on OK. And right now we're going to simply paste it, okay? Then highlight this and then click on this paste button here. You can see this has been pasted. Then let's try viewing this. Okay, this is cool. You can see how it looks like. Let's try checking it out. Okay, so this is a good one. So let's reduce this size. Okay, let's reduce it. Okay, you can see why here it has been reduced. Let's try playing some song. Let's check out a birthday song like happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Okay, so that is a birthday song I just played with the keyboard and this is cool, all right? So let's go ahead and build this particular application. Remember, it is not shareable now, it is not monetizable now, so let's go ahead and do that, okay? So what we have to do right now is simply go ahead and come to our browser. Remember, the code has been copied already from ChatGPT. Then you need to simply come over to your browser onto this very section and click on the next button from this very section, okay? When you click on the next button, click on this paste button here. We're going to simply paste this code. You can see right here the code has been pasted. Then you click on the next button again, then add the app name. Let's say my piano app, okay? Then you click on this next button. Then you have to simply select an app icon, okay? I'll advise you to go for a custom icon, okay? Come to Canva from here, then you search for piano logo. I think I prefer this one. I like this one. So guys, if you're getting value from this video, hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel, and also don't forget to join us on our Patreon, our Telegram, and also on our WhatsApp channel to stay updated on what we do here, okay? Don't forget to also share this video to your friends who want to build a simple application which is a mobile phone, okay? So in this very session, I'm going to simply go ahead and click on this. Then I have to change the color, right? So you can design a cool logo for yourself just like that. Okay, so I'm going to simply save this as a graphic image. Okay, it has been saved. Then I have to go back to this section. You have to click on upload icon, select this, select this. Okay, this is cool. You can crop it anyhow you want it, then click on crop, and we are good with this. All right, then for the go section, you have to select this one, okay, because you want to monetize this. All right, then you click on the next button, and on this section you click on this create button. Okay, you can as well preview your application to see how it looks like. Okay, so let's check out how the app looks like and see. All right, so that's basically how the app looks like. So click on this create button. Okay, you can see this is the piano app. Then click on download button. All right, then you download your APK from here. Okay, then you can simply go ahead and download this app as APK file, AAB file. Okay, you can also download for iOS. All right, for now I'm going to simply download as APK file on my Samsung Galaxy. All right, so once it's done, go ahead and download it. Then click on this install button. You can show right here, the logo is here, the app name is here, everything is working perfectly. All right, open it, the game here, then click on accept, terms and condition, and blah blah blah. You can show right here, this is the application, and the application is ready. You can see everything is working perfectly. For the keyboardist in the house, just go ahead and check this out, and let's see if it works. It's okay. You can build this app for yourself and monetize and put it out on Play Stores, App Stores. So once your app is developed, simply click on this monetize button, and when you click on that, then you're going to simply take you to this very section where you have to simply add Admob, Appness, and the rest. Okay, and this is going to simply work for you perfectly, and you can publish this app online and people are going to simply start using it. So if you want me to show you how you can monetize this application and publish this application, I want you to comment monetize on the comment section. If I see your comment, then I'm going to simply make part 2 of this very video and show you how everything works and how you can also publish this, promote this application. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here with other community members. See you in the next video.